Ever scrolled through Snapchat and thought, wait, how do I add more friends super fast? Well, say hello to Quick Add, Snapchat way of suggesting people you might know. Today, I'll show you how to find and use it in just a few taps. Let's go. Before jumping into steps, there is See Me in Quick Add option, only available in Android mobile. So Snapchat user have to turn on to get more friend suggestion in Quick Add. For that, if you're already on Snapchat, click on profile icon in the top left corner. Then on setting icon, scroll till you find See Me in Quick Add, toggle on that switch, and you got more friend suggestion in Quick Add. For all phone user, they can directly go to Quick Add and add friends, which is the result of contact syncing and mutual friends. Next, look at the list and find people you want to add. See that add button next to their name. Just tap it and a friend request is sent. No need to search username or scan snap codes. This is the easiest way to grow your friend list. And that's it. Now you know how to use Quick Add to build a Snapchat squad in seconds. Try it out and let me know who's the most surprising person you find in Quick Add. Comment below and of course like and subscribe for more Snapchat tricks.